Hello everyone. Today's question of the day is based upon time, speed, distance. We'll be solving a question on races. So the question is, in a 10-kilometer sprint, Usain Bolt, Tyson Gay and Johan Blake, each running at uniform speed, get the gold, silver and bronze medals. So that means Usain Bolt, he comes first, Tyson Gay second and Johan Blake third, respectively. If Usain Bolt beats Tyson Gay by 1 kilometer and Tyson Gay beats Johan Blake by 1 kilometer, then by how many meters does Usain Bolt beat Johan Blake? So that means there's a race of 10 kilometers. Let me assume that this is the finish line, this is the start. So it is saying that Usain Bolt is coming first, so he'll reach the finish line first. When Usain Bolt is here, Tyson Gay is coming second and Usain Bolt is beating Tyson Gay by 1 kilometer. So when Usain Bolt is at the finish line, Tyson Gay would be somewhere around here, 1 kilometer behind the finish line. So that means in the time when Usain Bolt covers 10 kilometer, in the same time Tyson Gay covers 9 kilometers, because this will be 9 kilometers. So I have the distance ratio of Usain Bolt and Tyson Gay. Usain Bolt covers 10 kilometers in the same time in which Tyson Gay covers 9 kilometers. We know that distance is directly proportional to speed, so that means the speed ratio of Usain Bolt and Tyson Gay would be 10:9. So because distance ratio is equal to speed ratio, so let me write speed ratio of Usain Bolt and Tyson Gay, it would be 10:9. The similar condition has been given to us for Tyson Gay and Johan Blake, because we have been given that Tyson Gay beats Johan Blake by 1 kilometers. So now the same condition, when Johan Blake will be 1 kilometer behind Tyson Gay, this is also start, this is finish, and this is also a race of 10 kilometers, so this will be 9 kilometers. So from here I can say that in the time Tyson Gay covers 10 kilometers, Johan Blake covers 9 kilometers. So again, distance covered by Tyson Gay would be 10 kilometers. In the same time Johan Blake covered 9 kilometer. So again, the speed ratio of Tyson and Johan Blake, it would be 10:9. We have to find out by how many meters does Usain Bolt beat Johan Blake. So for that we need to find out the speed ratio of Usain Bolt and Johan Blake. So I hope you know how to connect the ratios. If I am given two ratios like here, SU ST and ST SY, how will you find out SU ratio ST ratio SY? So SU ratio ST ratio SY, you have to connect the ratios. How will you connect the ratios? You will choose the common one. Here we have ST and ST common in both the ratios. So we'll equate this in both the ratios. Here it is 9, here it is 10. So how can we make 9 and 10 equal? I'll multiply this ratio by 10 and this ratio by 9. In that case, ST in both would become 90. So now I can write SU ratio ST ratio SY equal to, this 10 will also be multiplied with this 10. So 100 ratio 90, and this would become 9 into 9, 81. So this will be the ratio. From here I have the ratio of SU and SY, 100 ratio 81. So now I have the ratio of speed of Usain Bolt and Johan Blake. I can say that in a race of 100 kilometers, Usain Bolt would beat Johan Blake by 19 kilometers, because difference between 100 and 81, it is 19 kilometers. So by how much will Usain Bolt beat Johan Blake in a race of 10 kilometers? We'll divide the ratios by 10. It would become 10:8.1. Difference between these two is 1.9 kilometers. We were asked the answer in meters, 1900 meter. This would be our answer. So this was a basic question on races. I hope the explanation was clear. If there is any doubt, please ask again. Thank you.